Hello, my name is Rahn and welcome to the virtual open house. I teach 8th grade pre-algebra and Algebra 2, and you may have also seen me at games as the varsity girls basketball coach. I grew up on a farm in Chadwick, Illinois, and I graduated from Judson College in Elgin. I now live in German Valley with my wife Mandy and my son Dalen. This is my 5th year at Forston and my 23rd year overall teaching in the classroom. Pre-algebra is a combination of geometry and algebra topics that prepare students well for Algebra 1 in high school. Algebra 2 is a prerequisite to pre-calculus, and it is a low-level college class that prepares students well for the SAT test, which is in the spring for juniors. And if you'd like to know more information about either of the classes and the topics covered, that can be found in Google Classroom under Stream for the pre-algebra overview and the Algebra 2 overview. Your son or daughter would be able to take you and show you that site. On the overview, it also has information about the grading policy and my contact information. I would like to highlight the grading policy now. Grades are based strictly on quiz and test scores. Homework is assigned, but it's considered practice time for the students to get ready for the quiz and the test. There will be approximately 4 to 5 quizzes per unit, and then a unit test. In a semester, there will be about 3 units covered. To retake a quiz or a test, you would have 1 opportunity to do it per quiz or test. I take the best grade of the 2. The students would need to have their homework complete for that section or that unit, and they would also need to fill out a retake form and turn it in. If you have any questions or would wish to contact me, email is the best way to contact me, which can also be found in the overview in Google Classroom. I look forward to having a great year, and if you ever have any questions, please feel free to contact me through email. Thank you.